ner malaken yam ka nas diali kontin barwai ni bak lingwa semani and mandu ni chan kot nyak malaro ikya ka no online TV channel ban jome ban linkel ka do badan en sheben keja en wala shan ka wara ka pai wal ronkin dangru jen dangru de dich ban jome ban linkel nega gwaze dane by independent by the kule je ka South Sudan ke 2011 siasa rewi ka South Sudan chedit cheneten wan chaka dak ka jenba chetel ngasa kam na nas chejetok gwaze dan chikona ngaje no mecha 2011 mecha de chop si South Sudan che independent chejek shi kirma yadi che kwara nyam chejek shi dakhema cha la ka kwara dakhema cha gwaze dan che la rami mamla kwar alo te la vice president yaram danan gurkin yadit do be dane kwanke je niga gwaze dane 2005 meche to meche John Garang da mabir meche liu shwa Dr. Riek Machar ana shwa pel kana latka kwara nyam ko chalo de cha palpin a shwa kirmi yadi shwa jakara madanan bila successor kira madanan bu balat gwa Dr. John Garang da mabir ka plan mi changich ken Dr. Machar go no bukor mo simply chana charo dan mungu Dr. Machar gwalda dana chikoche to ga 2013 Dr. Machar yela first vice president ne kan korka na ko 2011 chwa watch kene cabinet ne kadiar meje kirmi yadi chama cha yot ki Dr. Machar cha jen ke 2014 ki 2015 chwa jogo no ku pare ku jok pom ko jen te ka SPLA cha jogo no chibulu joko jang jo chine gor ka SPLA ko jen kana jen ko jen par mukelo me banjetin Dr. John Garang ma bi chuchula no IO wide cha chol SPLM IO Sudan People Liberation Movement in a position no and tema Dr. Machar Ramadan cha politically targeted ramimo me bier kana point no de jam moy kerek jen siyo ya kwar but kwaje target ko jen Nuer ko self kirma yadi dole ko dara Dr. Machar dara je face national election kana me talk na me reality an wale bana na me bana jangach agwa ano Dr. Machar nguma dwal kirma yadi ka jamoni along belo no de ken jek national election banjo me banjo kel ko gor kono bana dufti yaltin kontin dwal kirma yadi ka je na bana kangach ko Riek Machar tam radian magora gor ni election kuin kwari alati nguma dwal kirma yadi ka je ke gwaze dan 2011 che men channeling no wen me chi country che independent che je chi division che to kan mistrust chinaro nget kamniken Dr. Machar a key figure a liberation struggle gwaze dan gorga South Sudan jaram dan ngai ken je ka jaram dan ko shonka queer reform ke ger ko shonka federalism no kan o denarin madgwaskel mara kene wuri shalka me president selpa ke mi yadit chela mar mite gaw ne ka gwad mi shewe ken kwadangro ke members ke ka tigan ka bona spelling ne ke during liberation struggle edan la vision den ke quiz of Sudan no chetega dek ko janga ken go ne no Sudan ba jek ko nyen dob dan gor ke kir kene me gor ke wudi shalga me selba ke mi yadida chengne me kir mi yadit te ka da ken ponya Dr. John Garang ko ken kan war chare ni mat Dr. Machar jen no gor jen o ba South Sudan ba gor point no Meji Korea beto ke 2013 anona ka disagreement yen Dr. Machar kene kire wan mi Dr. Machar chala no jen barod chung ko ba wij ba jeri ala ka shirka me gore jen wo jen dande lat ko jene enera rai wi ka so dan take right katran ka chuong ko ba kwer nok lo de je ba jokwan dundo kire jene no chana mo chana gor shu kire point chu je gor no be Dr. Machar be je yen ka kor ke me che je wo ka first by president ko reng Machar cha wo ka first by president ke 2013 chwa gwada chwa kamburi chwa ke waniga jera meda ne cha kwany la kwer la vice president ka gwada Dr. Machar waniga jen nyam wun nyam ka chwa je kwany alo ka gwada Machar chwa reng Machar kana all the cabinet chwa ka removed enga akir mi yadit right so na mo chu tuok chere mangai kona chikiri shemisha na mo cha jalat ko dwale ke Dr. Machar jeni che Dr. Machar che be face ka national election chenga man kana lar a George cha George ka dobe dana cha kor che to ko je ke 2013 ko jen kwi konka dwale ke jamo en kia that disagreement cho deni cho ga dak cho ne cho ke million cho ga jo cho nang na ka kem cho na kam rik to ngwan long cho je dit atena tin chu men tam cheng me cha mal cha be tain ko kore ngoda ba ti mistrust statement wan mishina rodian linkedin ki china go ten na men ben ni jen long jena gwasme me na ben ka South Sudan politic no gor jeno de je kwen yen mene. Since the independence of South Sudan in 2011, politics in the country has been defined by division and mistrust. Dr. Machar, a key figure in the liberation struggle, became one of the most recognized leaders, representing reform, federalism, and inclusion. However, in his relationship with President Salva Kiir, has always been tense. Both men were senior members of SPLM during a liberation year, but their vision for South Sudan future differed sharply. When the 2013 political crisis broke out, the disagreement between Machar and Kiir turned into a deadly conflict. The war divided the army, displaced millions, and caused unimaginable suffering. Although peace agreements were later signed, mistrust between the two leaders never truly ended. Many observers believe that today political targeting of Dr. Machar is continuation of that same rivalry. Miling yana me gwasame man bejelong rewike South Sudan siasa. Mija tuogolo chirana mo special Kiir ramimo munwa ka jankin. Nuer kuje me noktan Nuer jen en Dr. Machar Nuer nok reng Machar ka tan chi reng Machar chi kana nok lu Nuer chet kana re kon la siasi nyet kan Dr. Machar take a quick and down and take Kiir yadi teten ke Kiir yadi target de kele o gor jen o mi betu la to no by election ba jalat be Nuer be ka deal weekend be long den power in be deal wikaka ajana bi kulle Jacob kwarbe de jak wal Nuer politician ke siasi na ko ken chikan charna we can no can mo can ka political space ko be can power be can gain ki ba ko mo ko position to dit and on ajen do dan we can je but ka Kiir she guje non Kiir ko create division kan Nuer community so much na mo ajen dan le ro den tam akire am chete ko te ka mugo ambe keneten kontin kwaje support chi jandan te kiten Kiir me yadi te ko politically let me destroy Dr. Machar ko Riek Machar cha jebile support ne ka Dr. Machar ko jena Nuer la jagwi ken ko gor ka jen Nuer wajen ramije cha guje no ran cha guje lo der mugo der jela lat menen ken politician Nuer kana commander Nuer tindire Nuer community we can Dr. Machar no jena tare kaka mugui kon mi te kor mi to go puch be wi ka so Sudan ne la chu je long kan were Nuer la chu ken chicken chu ko ken itele ka quarter go but chu ken ko di a lot Nuer ngwan and when more especially the con la politician ken amishu yen wugui yentin kon let ken ka chicken chat ka do badana dong den Nuer ken de ko nyam ko je cause mi ken de no go den Nuer de ka te ka mal la tok de kan char ke man gwana jen de ko rodin mat mi charin man when more de kan char okay mi kwa kon da angum lot ke jordo dien de ge ye yena gwa me sharu no kam kun jori jene biya be bi changa gwa but instead mi shoka je jorbe nyo jangne wonak ne ko ram me loko mal kwa jile use a life slave alo yos ke ji al de ko la let ke jang ana mo chi chiang me den wade ka nang nyam ano ba ji no jin logram me milan waru no ko jin ba ji mu ke position na mo jaga ji ko metalot ke ramadan jake Dr. Machar mete kring mi chitwo jaram da la target mi cha target ba Nuer civilian ba ka target on wadmo akene ba wonan Nuere you know na me ba tekrik tu ngwan be nong ba Nuer ba ka yan ba Nuer ba ka displace gontin contact why ko ken ka ngun ko ken kan Nuere cha ka target lora ba ko ken shun kan kring Machar na me siyase politik mi cha gorno de ngach jen me bat ka cher Nuere ka jamani anetin konti la jang kene te kon ramichit ke sab ke mi yadit anti dan la ti kelong angu mila Nuere politically la ka weekend ke jamo chikan bi chare no de ko nyam ko ja na me akel me de Nuere kan ngajba one of the most painful realities in South Sudanese politics is how quickly political differences turn into ethnic division. Dr. Machar being Nuer is often viewed through an ethnic lens rather than by his ideas or leadership abilities. Some politicians and army commanders see the Nuer community as a threat to political dominance. Whenever tension rises, it is usually the Nuer civilian who pay the heaviest price through discrimination, arrest, and displacement. This pattern has led many to conclude that Machar political targeting is not just about politics, but also about identity. The question many ask is, why does being Nuer seem to make one a target in national politics? Critics argue that such ethnic politics has weakened South Sudan unity and made reconciliation almost impossible. Instead of focusing on building institutions, some leaders continue to focus on tribe, using them as a tool for power and survival. Gwad mishir kene me netung wan shar kene no ba South Sudan ba election ba jalal national election ne dial ke ready chik ready and prepare you know dundo there's a competition you know ti tiar tikitin kan tiar de ti do kolar ne chere ko kan kwere me dwale ka kwere me ngenya one k election kwere love dini jen ajene no chena guru bu kono ke election ko jen dwale ko dong baje wo ba power baje kan keje ngai kono election always ajen one of the two ajen obi pan ki be park michelle probability chere ke dice mala dice la ja yorke kujiman kuji bo penten era wo diok ngwan di bi kul marno dong bo pen kuji bo pen kuji menena jen ta dana te ke election cha guarantee and ujin be pass Dr. Machar chero de guarantee bon go dera path kirmi yadit bo ajen mukula dwal ke jen ni gjen wo cha actual ke yik la jen wo nene chen be path ko kir ngeje tin chalat ke ti je den nan ko ba jen nokona ko la do gwi la do evaluate jin karwado en mu wa ke election ba jen ba kwan ba path bna chung ko kel no kir cha jenok ko tin chalat 20 years in power tele mi chalat Dr. Machar ka kujame jen kwaje target no jen ko Nuer anyok jen bo che struggle ko be South Sudan be la win me te democracy alo gor jen o enran be kwer be jedil kwanya la jen ala leadership ba jedil determine and 18 contin la jiwch mala chalka power to the people power point ene content wana mo kanete kono be kweren be kwany kan be larano ngaka rungu ko bitedi be chuj but kire jen no chen mission mo chen agor tel mishal ke in national election ajen do badana nen jeneje dwal ke kir ke je ko kir che ngugo no che depart ngai kon Dr. Machar ma ngai ke kan wari ne ideal ngaje ka panal ngaje ka jongle ngaje ki Equatoria ngaje men jam no alo nyud jen ojen take support midit ngat ke je ki tene ti chung kore reng Machar misha election ke ko inquire chaje lat dere nyud no de binetu ngwan baje kwan gwan mo ci kir ponde te telne te mo te chung kore ajen nen yana tam kume dolla ka diere the only way ambassadors nan be gang jogo je ko chiran che kwere che je kwan au bikan kor bikan deal introduce re wich kul te ka kor link kon mentama amene ne kon til la jiwi into golbo gur kan no de widar te gamal ba charge no nga charge no ka kier. As the country prepare for long delayed national election, the issue of leadership competition become more visible. Many believe that President Salva Kiir feared a free and fair election where Dr. Machar could challenge him openly. Dr. Machar is popular among the Nuer, a part of Upper Nile, Jonglei, and even some in Equatoria and even within Barghazal, Unity State. This gave him a strong base of support. If elections were held without intimidation or interference, he could attract a significant number of votes from those who want change. But the government action, including restriction on movement, delay implementation of security arrangement, and constant political accusation, suggest a strategy to weaken Machar before election even happen. International observers have repeatedly called for equal political space, but such calls are often ignored. The fear of facing Machar at the ballot box seemed to be one of the driving forces behind his political isolation. Migwi konta te kume keje kume sa Sudan. Ano jin baji target ko jin siyasin mi bere dwar mo. Jaka na ko nene. Rama mo be power be je use de ni ka be ke use ko be ne barama mo goro de wida ta kamalo be je mien first of all che bu goro no bram mo ba je ling ba jora ba je ling ke ba do mo de naw nyam ke je ba je lat ke je jen menen yana tema cha ja gor ke no dong de nar dol de naroj jang cha la ne je lat ke campaign ke chung na ko ba kuin kwar ba je lat mitira mi je rodan tema shire Machar mi cha yene wala tere te jentel gwa wetin be ke no mi che brar che campaign che jalat ke na jogno chonga ka kwida banna makana magana bagalat na mo la ku mi jagu jano cha ka bunok jen mi na ne tema chiran campaign che jalade gor ko no buna we mol ke election no reng Machar jen che cha gor jeno te mi de campaign tidial jene ka jot berar jene ke community do jene ke neku ano ludun jala to no become mo ke change ki biken no gere ki bika gere so much na mo jene ne jene to bonto wan te gatin rei wika so Sudan ka bonto to panken ka bon ti bit all the party tenen yenke bit kan ka dwalien ko wiken no miraro jejeno lede campaign raja ke kwikir me yadit kir normal weekend node shikir me yadit ke bepal bekayan den dwal dana dwal ke dwal kenelong government official ku ken kir ku kana blame ni shang but ken ku ke kir ku kana blame ke piny a math commission lat openly che de gwa ke de rande ji de yen kule la partnership ko di shi kuma spela yo mente Dr. Machar teten to kum ne ko ken tigatin ba ne de ti bitken ka dwalen ko ngai kan no ken kala ka support within the community. So the only way we can kon gor kana ba Dr. Machar ba je kon dwaj pin mi cha je dwaj pin yo bi kule ben ka community eno kwa ko support jen ta dan le road bu kana jur ka yo de kon jigno chicken lo ne jen go bi ka community bi kan ger. But a personal gain ko ran ba te ka dunde mi be jek are gwata mone ki o te umbrana jek Ramadan and kul shonko kwida. Well, Political targeting takes many forms. Sometimes it appears as a military pressure, sometimes as legal restriction, and sometimes through media campaign designed to damage a leader image. In Machar case, it has been a combination of all three. These are reports of his supporter being arrested, office being blocked, and movement being limited. Government officials have also blamed him for slow progress in the peace implementation, even though more decisions depend on the president Salva Kiir Mayardit. Whenever there is a political instability, figures are quickly pointed at Machar. Supporters of Dr. Machar believe this is a strategy to destroy his political credibility and make him appear weak before election. However, others argue that there are tactics to silence any serious challenges who could change the country's direction. Because Kiir Mayardit feared to face Dr. Machar in election, he wanted to prolong the suffering of South Sudanese. He wanted to displace most people, the population of South Sudanese, so that during election they will not vote. These are the tactics to consolidate power, to stay in power for a very long time. And that is what Kiir Mayardit is doing. Kenti ti to talk tini. Murai na ke riftlai peace agreement e chatanya Kiir Mayardit kana Dr. Machar. Kwaje tain ko ba kor ba de kapchong. Kor ki to ke 2013. Jene kwal ka chonyo ko to ke 2016. Ke 2018 to agoro no ba kerundang de je ko ne nangre kor ba ka dil kapchong. Jen mukule bena ke 2025. Gor ke jen wo den aktung den atakama. Jen kule tene ke power sharing one. Jen kule te go benarin mare benachong ken. But neme cha jenok kume mente Kiir Mayardit teten. Kodi Kiir is not ready. She ready ko jen ba mal ba power ba let go. Neme amile harode chan neme linkel. The 2018 Rift Valley Peace Agreement was meant to end the year of war and bring lasting peace to South Sudan. It created a power-sharing government where both Kiir and Machar would work together to implement reform. But after several years, the peace process remained fragile. Security arrangements are incomplete. The unified army is not yet fully formed, and key provisions like the constitution-making process are delayed. Analysts warn that targeting Dr. Machar could lead to the collapse of the peace deal if one side feels excluded or threatened. The fragile balance may break. Peace in South Sudan depends on trust, fairness, and inclusion. When one leader is targeted for who he is or what he represents, it sends dangerous message to all opposition groups. Across the country, ordinary citizens are watching this development with concern. Many people are tired of war and political game. In Betiu, Malakal, and other towns, citizens say they want peace, job, and school, not political competition that bring bloodshed. Some say Dr. Machar represents the voice of the people who have long been ignored. Others say the both leaders should put the nation first and let democracy decide the future. Community leaders have repeatedly urged Kiir and Machar to cooperate rather than compete with hostility. They say South Sudan can only progress if leaders stop targeting each other and start serving the citizen. Neighboring countries and international partners are also closely monitoring the situation. The Intergovernmental Authority on Development (IGAD), which mediated the peace deal, has warned that the targeting of key political figures could destabilize the region. And yet they are silent. The United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, has emphasized that a fair election process requires political freedom and safety for all candidates. Western nations have also expressed concern over delay in reform and report of harassment of opposition members. However, some observers believe that the international community has not done enough to pressure the government to ensure equal treatment for all parties. They argue that silence from regional leaders encourage more political intimidation at home. The coming national election is expected to be one of the most important movements in South Sudan history. It will test whether the country can finally move from power-sharing politics to genuine democracy. For that to happen, all political leaders must be given equal space, freedom, and protection. Targeting Dr. Machar or any other leader because of ethnicity or fear of competition would only deepen division. South Sudan people deserve to choose their leaders freely without fear, violence, or intimidation. The election should not be a battlefield. It should be a chance for peace and a new beginning. Chana jo me chana jelinkel. Ramadwal ko ba queen kwar ba jelak ekir. Ramadwal ko be South Sudan be tekamal ekir. Ramadwal ko de Dr. Machar de ramal de regime ekir. Nega gwaze da ne ko charen to ka 2013 ti dia to ko ruben ko Riek Machar jan bro de chunga langu ala ko patalok ekir mi yadi. Ajan right continent walle ko retigaten gwami Machar gorno Dr. Machar de radil tekamedar latre wika sosda. Gorgo jeno political career de siyasa mentatin ke ko politician gorgo jeno jan baje doan pin cha joro cha jabe. Ajan da na to kare wacce ka Sudan en walle. Ajan jawdan gorde nyaka kon ken jiram jidit ko subscribe ka lib latin ko ken tenbe chu video nditi chu ko parwe jan wo bika twan ko den ko lar ko den ten bigal